We do not promote the use of legal or illegal psychoactive substances. This video has been created strictly for harm reduction purposes.
Welcome to this testing video. Today I will demonstrate using animation the testing of two samples. One sample is reported as being LSD, otherwise known as LSD 25, acid and other street names. The other sample is reported as being 1p-LSD, which is an LSD analogue thought to be converted into LSD within the human body. I will use two tests from the test kit, one called Ehrlich, the other Hoffman. A colour reaction chart should be included within your test kit. I will show test results that are consistent with what we'd expect to see from LSD and 1p-LSD. Starting with Ehrlich, the first one here is a small piece of regular paper that will be used as a control. The second one is blotter paper containing LSD. The third one is blotter paper containing 1p-LSD. As you can see, with the addition of Ehrlich, nothing much will happen right away, which is expected for blotter paper. With LSD, I'll go ahead and repeat the same procedure with Hoffman, and again, just like before, a drop will be added to the control and the other two samples. Not much should happen immediately. Again, that's normal, it's what we'd expect. It can take quite a while for the colours to appear. 5 minutes in, you'll start to see some purple with Ehrlich and the top middle sample, and not much with the other samples. 10 minutes in, there's a definite purple colour with Ehrlich and a top middle sample, and it looks like there might be a bit of a blue with Hoffman in the bottom middle sample. Nothing really visual for the 1p-LSD samples. After 45 minutes, you'll see more prominent purple colour with Ehrlich and the top middle sample, and blue with the Hoffman in the bottom middle sample. 2 hours in, and the colours have become more evident, and you will see some blue with the bottom samples. Jumping ahead to 4 hours, you can see purple for the Ehrlich and blue for Hoffman. The colours are more prominent with the middle samples than with the samples on the right side, which is consistent with what we'd expect with LSD and 1p-LSD. These samples are a small piece of blotter paper cut off large tabs. LSD can be commonly found in these tabs, liquids and gels. The testing procedures are exactly the same for each of these products. Thank you and happy testing.